Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm down at the East to West factory where they build all of these Aharas, and today I'm going to show off the 2024 East to West Ahara 365RL. There is a lot to like about this. You got hydraulic auto leveling, electric dumps for, your sewer and your water, all that good stuff. 430 amps of solar and 3 ACs, one of which has a heat pump for the bedroom, bathroom, electric fireplace in the back. There is a lot to go over in this thing, so kick back, relax, and enjoy. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. It definitely helps out. But all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff will be down in the description. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to start on the inside, then work our way around on the outside, which I think is looking very, very cool. I love that painted front cap with those lights that go down the front, the blocked in, kind of European style square windows. Just all of it's looking sharp. Slam latch doors, little outside storage where you can fit a couple bodies in if you want to get crazy. But man, 2024 Ahara 365RL with that 4 seasons package. That's going to be added insulation into the floor and the roof, along with 12-volt heat tanks. So if you're not familiar with that, they're basically pads that stick onto your tanks. You can camp, earlier or later, into the season, where you control this right here. This is going to be your control center for the entire camper. So all your slides, your awnings, your max air fan, which is directly above the oven. So that's always a big time plus. Helps suck out the steam or stink, from whatever you're cooking. You can also control, your heat and your AC right here as well. But again, 3 ACs. That is definitely a really nice feature. You also have your solar charge controller right here, so you can see, how much amperage the solar is bringing down. Now, this one might look familiar to you because they have an Ahara 325RL as well, which essentially has the same back half, but this one has a much larger bedroom and bathroom. So if you were on the verge of that one, but you wanted a little bit more, this one will deliver that. Dual opposing slides, so you have kind of your cooking and entertainment slide over here, an island with 2 wings that prop up, which is always a good time plus, especially if you're playing some some apple juice pong or something like that. But then you also have your seating slide over here. Now for slide height, it's got pretty good slide height. So I'm 6 feet tall. You're looking at about 6'4" or so you don't have to worry about, bonking your head or anything like that. Great place to sit down, play some cards with the 4-seater. Also notice no carpet, so it blends in really well. They paired that up very well. It blends in for sure. You also get a little bit of roller storage there underneath, and the old day and night shade. So half Dracula, full Dracula, so you can block out all the sun. A really comfortable plush seating spot right here that's going to be directly across from your TV. By the way, both of these are going to be powered with USBs. And what's nice too about the Ahara is all the outlets are going to be inverted. I actually have my microphone and my portable charger charging up in the bathroom or in the bedroom right now. This is going to be the view that you're going to get when you're sitting down in the recliner. So it's really nice. The island does not get in the way either, but you still get the flip up. So if you're not using it, you can take this and boom, if you're not going to be watching the TV, and now you got extra countertop space on both sides. Again, whether it's for games or for prepping, it's also going to be solid surface countertops, even on the side. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Here in the back, even though this is going to be a couples coach predominantly, you have the ability to sleep the grandkids. Not only is this a comfortable couch, but it's on a lift system. So you lift it up and you pull it out and you plop it down right here in front of this oven, and then you can actually, or in front of the oven, the island, you can actually take your foot and lift up and throw it back in. It's a little bit difficult to do with, what's up?
Are you guys done with that unit over there? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, thank you. So right here, I've got outlets on both sides and then mini USBs, along with big old windows here as well. And you get some overhead storage to boot, which is always nice. That threw me off there. Hidden storage over on the side, which is always a plus. Throw a couple books in there. My wife likes to read. We're reading that 4th Wing book right now. Woo! That is a good one. It's got a little bit of it all. A little bit of magic, a little bit of dragons, a little bit of love, a little bit of fighting. If you guys are reading that, we need to have a side conversation, because that is definitely a good one. TV with an attitude. I love the name of that brand. I just think that's pretty cool. I haven't used one before, but I assume being in a luxury RV like this, that it is going to work just fine for you. You also get speakers, and then the fireplace right here pairs up with that heat pump back in the bathroom for electric heat. So on a day that's like 40, 45 degrees, that's probably going to be, all the heat that you need, which is pretty darn nice. It's also got some storage there behind, which is kind of like a safe. It's a little bit hard to do with one hand with my camera, so I'm not going to show it, but you just take right there, and you push them off to the side at the same time, and then you can pull it out, and you get a really nice dresser drawer there. So this is going to be the, I guess kind of like the face side of the island. I think it looks really nice with that accent lighting. I also like the pendant lighting above, with the more accents. Again, 3 ACs. But, right here is pretty interesting. So you pull this out, you got this big old thick boy cutting board with a little hole, because underneath you do have 2 trash cans. So you get a chopping and slopping and then push it right in there. Bam, easy cleanup mode. So that's always a plus. You got the high-rise faucet, hitting those dish-a-roonies from all angles. And then you have kind of the roller drying rack for your stainless steel undermounted bowl. And again, solid surface countertops. Little place for a brush. Clean cut storage, and also a removable paper towel holder. So if you'd rather have it up on the, the counter, you can do that. So that's pretty cool. So little stuff like that seems to be changing in the RV industry that I am here for. As a guy that has made, hundreds and hundreds of full tours, it's nice to see new and refreshing stuff. And with COVID, when they had to shorten down the amount of models that they really had to shorten down kind of the ingenuity because they couldn't pump them out quick enough. Well, now that things are at a more manageable pace, you're seeing just a lot of really cool options. Kind of the technology of the floor plans are really starting to shine through. And it's an exciting time for me, but I could definitely see it, being a little hard to shop sometimes. 4 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings. And then you got enough room in that bad boy to cook up a turkey. So, I mean, you could have Thanksgiving, on the road. Pretty darn cool. The GE microwave here as well. And then you get probably my favorite zone, the pantry and the refrigerator. So you're going to have a big old Mac Daddy 12-volt refrigerator. It's also going to be the smart kind that you can tap to turn on. But look at that. Week's worth of groceries, no problemo. There you go. Now it's on. 2 freezer drawers. And then the pantry, I'm a big fan of because it has those adjustable shelves here. So, you can get them, kind of however that you want. You can even completely remove them and use this as a nice hanging rack. More storage over here and more countertop space. It's also got the part for the tire pressure monitoring system, so that is nice. These are also going to come with, by the way, Cooper H-rated tires, along with the MoRide 3000 CRE system for your suspension, which I'm assuming you're probably not overly familiar with those. Essentially, they just drive a little bit smoother than most RVs out there. But man, look at that. That's a beautiful looking rig. But I think my favorite spot is going to be here up in this kitchen in the bedroom. Again, if you're wanting something like this, but a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter, a little bit lighter, a little less expensive, check out the Ahara 365RL. It's just like this 365RL, just a little bit more of a condensed, bathroom for you, but still no slouch, that's for sure. But you get a ton of walk-around room, a ton of space, access to your plumbing and storage, and then 4 pull-out drawers, and then dual vanities, as well. Plus you get a mirror to check out the old bowling gun. 4,000 or 40,000 BTU furnace, so this thing gets absolutely hot in a hurry, and you got an above average, tank for the water. I don't know why I was blanking there. LED lights, 1-piece fiberglass, a place for you to sit your rump down, enjoy some hot water hitting you, or maybe even shave some legs. And then you also have the porcelain throne there too. So right here you got your bedroom. It's on an east to west slide bed, which makes sense because it's an east to west camper. But you're going to notice it gets you a lot of good walk around room, not only down the middle, but over on the left side too as well. So that is pretty darn nice. I like that. It's got dimmers in here too, which I forgot to show you. The living room does as well. And then this is the AC that's got your heat pump that also not only heats up in here, but also, you know, heats up in here. So chargers on either side, again, they're all inverted, which is why, you know, I got it nice and plugged in, charging up my devices. You can see right here, it's getting power, and I'm just running, you know, off of the battery. You're also going to get some reading night lights where you can click, you know, for a lighter blue just at night. You know, if you want a little bit of a softer glow, you can. But you're going to get outlets on both sides, so you can put in a CPAP machine, you know, or something of that nature. Over here, you got the old TV emergency exit with the day and night shade. You also get 4 dresser drawers, and then also right here is a little bit more, you know, hidden storage there as well. Washer and dryer prepped, so you're more than able to get that installed pretty darn easily. And then here in the closet, there it is. So in the closet, I mean, look at that. I love seeing that. I mean, it's pretty darn big down in there for sure. You also got the mirrored finish there across the doors, both of them, once you close it. But drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Again, this is the 2024 East to West Ahara 365RL. And I think this is an absolute stunner. Now I'm going to go around the outside and show you where everything is. Probably only spend, you know, just a couple moments. All of the Aharas also, by the way, have the Asdale. So it's going to be a little bit more impervious, you know, to water or anything like that if you ever were to, you know, experience a leak, like, you know, in like a slide or something. But, all right, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, down in the old scripture Rooney. You get a lot of good storage there up in the front underneath. But look at that. I didn't turn on the 2 safety lights down here, but look at those. That is just so cool. It just, the front cap looks so nice. Definitely an above average appearance for that. I'd go through a lot of campers, and that is one of my favorite front caps for sure. Also, again, like that European style block windows. Big old awning right here and right there. So a lot of good shade for your campsite. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. Propane here behind this door. You also got a big old pass-through storage. Metal slam latch doors. Yeah, it also talks about, you know, a couple things there. But you also get the LED lights here underneath too. And you notice it's all welded. And then you also don't see any, like, you know, exposed wood or anything like that. So a little bit more clean cut. This is the receiver for the tire pressure monitoring system. So basically when you're driving down the road, it'll let you know, when your tires are overinflated, underinflated, you know, just to kind of prevent, you know, any type of uh-ohs. And again, Cooper H-rated tires. These flip up into the doorway. You got a storm door there. Got a little outlet, so if you want to maybe get a game going on or something, got the ability to do it. LP Quick Connect, if you want to hook up a grill, is going to be located right under here. You also have a ladder to get on top of your fully walkable roof. And then right here, you can kind of see it. That is going to be your solar panel. And then don't forget, 3 ACs, the front one, which has the heat pump. So you got the towing package, 3,000 pound tow rating, 3,000 pound hitch rating. So if you want to do like bike racks or something of that nature, and a 4-way pin, 4-plug. And then you got the rear observation camera prep. So you suction cup 4.5-inch screen onto your windshield so you can see what's going on behind you with some distance markers if you choose to have that installed. That's going to be the Furrion. This is going to be a 50 amp unit, so this is going to be your 50 amp plug-in. But what's cool about the Ahara is you can actually, you can run all 3 ACs on the 50 amp, or you can run just 2 ACs on the 30 amp, which is pretty interesting. I like how they designed it, specifically for that reason. You got your freshwater drain here underneath there. And then you have your sewer outlet right here, along with an area for, easy storage, the old stinky slinky. But then this is going to be, those are your safety lights there up front. These are going to be your electric valves. So you click that, for your waste holding tank, your gray tank, fresh tank, all that stuff in one spot. You also got hot and cold water access in the form of an outside shower, battery disconnect outlets, more propane, and then the control for your auto leveling. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this was the 2024 East to West Ahara 365RL. Have a great day. See ya.